Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to install iOS 18 beta version on your iPhone. So guys, you heard it right. Many of you are complaining about that you can't install iOS 18 beta version on your iPhone. Some are saying that it's not showing up on their iPhones. I know you all are hyped up about the rumors around iOS 18, new features, rampage, design, the whole shebang. But before you go scrambling to find some shady download link, let's pump the brake for a second. We all love getting a sneak peek at the latest and greatest, especially when it comes to our iPhones. The idea of testing our new features before anyone else is pretty damn cool. But here's the thing, beta software is well beta. It's unfinished, potentially buggy, and can cause some serious headache on your daily driver device. Instead of risking stability, let's all wait for the official release of iOS 18. That's right, the highly anticipated WWDC event is just around the corner. So my friends, let's make a pact. Let's wait patiently for WWDC, enjoy the official reveal of iOS 18 beta, and then, and only then, you should be dive headfirst into the beta experience. In the meantime, stay tuned for more iOS 18 rumors and leaks right here on this channel. And don't forget to leave a comment down below with what features you're most excited about. And thanks for watching.